Hair packs for thick, smooth, and glossy hair. Want to make your hair grow really thicker and stronger? Then here is the fix. Try these homemade protein hair packs. Deficiency of protein can cause brittle hair and can lead to hair thinning or hair fall. These homemade hair packs give your hair protein boost and add shine, softness and volume to your hair. Using any of these hair packs regularly over a month makes the hair naturally thick, long, and strong. I have personally tried and tested each of these hair packs, and in 3 weeks my hair looks voluminous, bouncy and healthy. Now it's your turn to try. Below you can see a great difference in the volume of my hair. Homemade protein hair pack recipe number 1. Protein Power. This hair pack contains nearly 2 grams of protein based on the amount of each ingredient listed below. Ingredients you need to prepare this protein hair pack: 2 egg whites, 4 tablespoons of milk with milk fat, 1 medium-sized ripe banana, 3 tablespoons of honey. Method and direction to use this protein-rich hair pack. Simply blend all the ingredients in a small bowl until you obtain a smooth, creamy consistency. Rinse your hair with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Using a brush, coat each hair strand with this protein-rich pack and cover with a shower cap. Let it soak for at least 20 minutes before you rinse with cool water followed by conditioner. Benefits of using this homemade protein pack. This hair mask is a rich protein reconstructing and moisturizing hair mask for an intense dry and damaged hair. It super conditions dry dull hair, retains moisture balance and speeds up the process of hair growth. The proteins, nutrients and vitamins in this pack encourages shine, smooth and softness, fight breakage and split ends. Use this hair pack twice in a week for best results. Homemade protein-rich gel hair pack recipe number 2. This is an intense conditioning gel comb pack that moisturizes rough and dry hair, smooths cuticles, boosts volume and straighten your hair naturally. Protein Power. This hair pack contains nearly 3 grams of protein based on the amount of each ingredient listed below. Ingredients you need to prepare this protein hair gel: 3 teaspoons of flaxseed, 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon butter, 2 tablespoons of honey. Method and direction to use this protein-rich hair pack. Pour 2 cups of water into a pan and bring it to a boil. Add flax seeds to this boiling water. Cover the pan with a lid and leave it to boil for a few minutes on a low flame until the water turns into a thin, bubbly gel. Filter the foamy water into a bowl. Add the rest of the ingredients and whisk well. Once the mixture has cooled completely, smooth through your damp hair with your fingers. Make sure to cover each hair strand starting from the root to tip. Let it sit for 30 minutes before rinse with cool water. Benefits of using this homemade protein hair pack. This protein-rich hair gel moisturizes curly, frizzy hair, smooths cuticles and deep nourishes the hair. Flaxseed is a rich source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, iron, vitamin B6 and micronutrients that prevent hair loss and promote healthy, shiny hair growth. Aloe vera, honey and butter leaves the hair incredibly soft, silky and voluminous. Use this hair pack twice to thrice in a week for best results. Homemade protein hair pack recipe number 3. Protein Power. This hair pack contains approximately 4 grams of protein based on the amount of each ingredient listed below. Ingredients you need to prepare this protein hair pack: 4 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, a half cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 3 tablespoons of organic coconut oil. Method and direction to use this protein-rich hair pack. Soak fenugreek seeds in hot milk for about 1 hour. Grind the soaked fenugreek seeds along with yogurt and coconut oil. Rinse your hair with warm water and then apply the pack. Let it sit for 30 minutes before you rinse with cool water. Benefits of using this homemade protein hair pack. This hair pack is a blend of rich ingredients that delivers impeccable softness, shine and protein to your hair. Fenugreek seeds are an excellent source of protein, iron and vitamin B6 that encourage stronger hair growth and treat numerous hair problems such as dandruff, hair loss and itching. Milk and coconut oil deep nourishes and moisturize your hair, prevents breakage, and yogurt soften and conditions your hair. Use this hair pack twice or thrice in a week for silky, thick and soft hair. Homemade protein gel hair pack recipe number 4. Protein Power. This hair pack contains almost 4.4 grams of protein based on the amount of each ingredient listed below. Ingredients you need to prepare this protein hair pack: 2 tablespoons of gelatin powder, 1 egg white, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of your favorite conditioner. Method and direction to use this protein-rich hair pack. Dissolve gelatin in a half cup of warm water and then add egg white, conditioner and honey. Whisk all the ingredients well. Dip a brush into this mixture and apply to your damp hair. Let it sit for at least 10 minutes and then rinse with shampoo and conditioner. Benefits of using this homemade protein hair pack. This is a protein reconstructing hair mask. It restores and strengthens damaged and weak hair. Delivers protein and nourishment to the scalp and hair for a healthy hair growth and thick hair. Use this hair mask once in a week for volume and strong hair.